This video is to demonstrate how to use the SkySafari app along with a Nexstar telescope. And I'm using, if you can see down there on the base, popping up down there, that little plug-in module is the aux-fi Wi-Fi connector made by Astro Gadget. Works very well with my Celestron telescopes. So this is the SkySafari app on my iPhone. I already have it connected to the telescope. And so what you can easily do with this is, it's down here on Uranus right now. If I want to go up to Jupiter, I just tap on Jupiter, select it and say go to, and you'll see that it'll move on the app, and it also is moving the telescope. It always finishes down and to the left before it gets to Jupiter, and then it'll slew up to the right to finish, and that gets all the motors engaged on the drive so it tracks well. So now it's on Jupiter, and I could tap on anything else on the screen and hit go to, and it would go to it. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this for now just to show you some other things. Well, just first I can show you here that these buttons here move that up, down, and then left, right, move the telescope left and right. So you can adjust things manually with these buttons on the screen there. So that's how you can use the telescope control. This little red button here disconnects the telescope. And now I'll show you just a couple other things. One is you have the ability to add in all of your telescopes and eyepieces. So I have a whole long list of different telescopes and eyepieces and cameras. This one I currently have turned on is the Nexstar 8SE with the 224 MC camera. And that's basically what it's giving me in the display here. So if I zoom in, a little box pops up with that. And it gives you the field of view using that equipment. Let's get rid of this. So you can see here that I would be able to get Europa and Jupiter, or Jupiter and Ganymede. I couldn't get all of it in there. I'd have to use a different setup, maybe a focal reducer to get my field of view a little wider. Another nice thing with this app is the ability to do like an augmented reality. I think they call it an AR feature here. And you click on this little AR button in the top right, and it shows you your skyline. So I can now see the skyline, and if you see overlaid on top of it is actually the sky map. So if I wanted to look at Uranus right there, you could see that it just is barely clearing the treetops. So it's a great way to look around where you are. You know, you can see if you've got trees or the house blocking anything, you can see exactly what you'd be able to view that night and not have to stare into some treetops. That's kind of a quick overview of the SkySafari Plus app and using it with your Celestron telescope.